Abuti, say hello to the children.
Sanibona bantwana.
Today we're learning about things you find in the kitchen. Are you ready, kids? What is the word for knife in isiZulu? Umese. And what is the word for fork in isiZulu? Imfoloko. Now, what is the word for plate in isiZulu? Ipuleti. And the word for spoon? Very good. Ugezo. And what is glass in isiZulu? Ingilazi. And pot in isiZulu? Ibodwe. So, we have umese, imfoloko, ipoleti, ugezo, ingilazi, and ibodwe. And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti.
Salani kahle.